Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to Coinbase from PayPal. First, ensure both your Coinbase and PayPal accounts are verified. This is a crucial initial step for security and compliance. Next, we'll navigate to the payment methods section within your Coinbase account settings. From there, you can begin the process of linking your PayPal account. It's a straightforward method designed for user convenience. To link your PayPal, start by logging into your Coinbase account on a web browser. Once logged in, find the Settings menu, usually located in the top right corner. Within Settings, click on Payment Methods. Here, you'll see an option to add a payment method. Select this, and then choose PayPal from the list of available options. You will be redirected to PayPal to authorize the connection securely. Once your PayPal account is successfully linked, you can easily add funds. Navigate to the Buy/Sell section on Coinbase. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. When prompted to select a payment method, choose your newly linked PayPal account. Enter the amount you wish to add, review the transaction details, and confirm. The funds will then be processed and added to your Coinbase balance. It's important to note that Coinbase may apply small transaction fees when using PayPal, so always check the final amount before confirming. Also, be mindful of any daily or weekly limits on transfers, which can vary based on your account verification level. These limits are in place for security. For more details on fees and limits, visit the Coinbase Help Center. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.